Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here's your quote for today. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. Look, it's tough out there. I get it. You spend so many hours, days, weeks, months, and even years trying to work hard every single day, chasing down those goals of yours, and then you hit a wall. Literally, just bricks in your face. Pow! It's time to take a step back, dust yourself off, and get ready to dive right back in again. Think about just why did you start this journey at all? Why did you start this journey all that time ago? Look for and try and find the motive that got you started. Besides, your future self is still waiting to meet you. When that does happen, tell them I said hello.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.